Selah. We are here. We are here.
We are not marching. We are having revival. Yes.
We are here.
There's some moments. We are not marching. We are having revival. You are almost there. Let me talk to these ones here. We are not marching. We are having revival. South Africa for Jesus.